Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V23. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to security. Enter screen lock, and from this menu you can select one of 5 types of passwords: non-swipe pattern, PIN and complex password. Firstly, let's select none. Now swipe, PIN, complex password, and in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor at the bottom of the screen. Last way to unlock the phone is face unlock, and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.